Hello YouTube, how's everybody? Today we're gonna make some stir-fried rice noodle, Hong Kong style, beef rice noodle, Hong Kong style. So the ingredients are beef. I marinated with some oyster sauce, some cornstarch, a little bit of water, and a little bit of rice wine. I got red and green bell peppers. I got some sprouts. I got some onion slices, some ginger and garlic, and some green onions. Of course, rice noodles. Also, I got some Lee Kun Kee oyster sauce and some soy sauce. Here's my 100,000 BTU jet engine of a wok burner, and here are the ingredients. Make sure you do this outdoors. Okay, let's get to it. First of all, I'm going to fire up my jet engine. You can't see the flame because it's blue flame. It's only on half. It's not even highest. Highest is this. So I'm just doing half. Add some oil. I got avocado oil. Avocado oil. Let it heat up. It'll heat up pretty soon. Now I'm going to put garlic and ginger, and then the beef. Put in the Now I'm going to put in the rice noodle. Some oyster sauce, some soy sauce, and finally the sprouts. It gets pretty hot. Okay, should be done. A few seconds of waiting caused it to stick to the wok, so you can't leave it on. You got to keep on stirring. Smells delicious. This Hong Kong style sautéed stir-fried rice noodles. Thank you for watching.